Everyone. Schools and offices often have problems like people smoking inside washroom, even though it is not allowed. Buildings consume nearly 40% of global electricity, and a lot of it is wasted because lights, AC, and appliances stay on even when rooms are empty. At the same time, in emergencies like fire, intrusions, or overloads, responses are often delayed. While smart building systems exist, they are expensive and mostly limited to large corporations. Schools, small offices, and research labs have no affordable way to experience or test these technologies. This is the gap we want to solve.
Our answer is affordable AI IoT Smart 3D building model, a tabletop but fully functional demonstrator. LED light, showroom occupancy, buzzer and flashing LEDs stimulate fire alarms, servo motor operate miniature doors, and ESP32 with MQTT enables real-time communication. Unlike most prototypes, our model can even set commands to real systems, like triggering a fire alarm or reducing power use during overloads. What sets our project apart is it is a bi-directional communication. It doesn't just stimulate, it can actually send signal to real-world system. For example, during a demonstration, the model can trigger an actual fire alarm. During an overload scenario, it can command real building circuit to cut non-essential load. In short, it is not a toy. It is a scaled down version of fully functional smart building system. This makes it more than a gadget. It is hands-on learning tool, a safety trainer and awareness platform for energy efficiency. By doing so, it directly supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals, quality education, clean energy innovations, sustainable cities, and climate action.
And this is just the beginning. In future, we will make our smart 3D model more realistic and efficient. Imagine having a mobile app or augmented reality system so that you can walk through the 3D model and control it. In future, we will also connect it with renewable energy sources such as solar panels so that it doesn't just save energy, it generates it. Smart 3D model is not just a prototype, it is more than that. It is an educational bridge between theory and practice. Not only it will benefit students, but also benefit small institutions and offices. Suitable alternative to expensive existing system. We believe that this project proves that even a small scale project can have a big impact. Thank you.